Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back once again to Crypto Income Daily channel. Today I want us to take a quick overview or a presentation on crypto flow bots, your AI trading bots for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So guys, just a quick intro here. If you have been on the online space trying to maybe grow your portfolio, a lot of us, we have had the experience of being scammed. Okay, centralized platforms, we send them our funds, then they wake up, and then we wake up some days and the site is closed, they have gone with our money. So if you are really interested in maybe getting involved in a project where you don't have to send your funds to any platform, where you are in total control of your funds, then you may need to wait and listen to this presentation. Okay, now, before we continue, a quick risk disclaimer here. This content is for educational and informational purposes only, and it's not financial, investment, or trading advice. Cryptocurrency fluctuates a lot and it's risky, and you have to be aware of this. Okay, and profits are not guaranteed. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional, financial professional before making a financial decisions. I don't own any of the platforms I promote. I am just taking risks to diversify my portfolio. So having said so, let's dive in. So crypto flow bot, this is a bot I think has come to really improve on the performance of the previous bots you have used before. If you have used Royal Q, Tafabot, O Trading, U Trading, those sort of bots, you will realize that floating losses and then liquidation were two major things. Thank God we have discovered this bot, which is called Crypto Flow Bot, and I think it's going to make sense to you. So you still can stay with me as I actually will share with you some highlights about how this bot can help you to grow your portfolio with strict capital protection and risk management. Okay. Now, this is a fully automated crypto trading system that currently over 15,000 traders over the world have been using. This bot provides 24/7 trading, and it has its own built-in risk management and an average of 85% win rate. This is powered by AI, so you don't have to do any sort of kind of like serious manual work here to get started. So cryptocurrency is growing so fast. If you take Bitcoin, for example, when it started in 2009 at around $0.001, and it has grown through the years, and in 2026, it grew to even over $120,000 before it came back to over $70,000 currently. So the question is not whether crypto will grow. Crypto is growing already, and it is whether you will participate in that growth. Okay. So when we are talking about this bot, currently it works with Binance and Bybit. Okay, these are our exchanges, crypto exchanges. So Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, and it is trusted by over 300 million users globally. And Bybit is also another one that is growing so fast. So crypto flow bots actually connects directly to Binance and Bybit via a secure API, which stands for application programming interface. One cool thing is that your money stays in your exchange account or at all times. So instead of you depositing your money onto platforms that claim they want to trade for you and they later end up scamming you, here with this bot, your funds are under your control and you can take them out anytime. So it's that simple. This crypto flow bot, it trades both spot trading and futures trading. So why crypto trading? Compared to traditional businesses, crypto trading offers unique advantages that make it one of the most accessible income opportunities in this digital era. For example, if you take maybe like a huge capital, you need a huge capital to start up what a traditional business. The daily fuel costs, the repairs, weaker risks, a weather risk, physical danger, and then limited hours. Then let's say, for example, if you want to run maybe a taxi business, you may need what? A lot of money to start it. You may also need for the vehicle, the insurance, the licensing, depreciation, fuel, traffic, limited also to local area. And also a retail store, for example, it may cost you a huge amount of money to get started with. Also, don't forget about the inventory costs, the theft risks, the Also, it requires physical presence all the time, all day. It has limited customers. Now, but with crypto trading, you can start with as little as $50 trading capital. For example, in the case of crypto Flowbot, you don't have to rent, no fuel, no employees needed. And this works 24/7 even while you sleep. It can operate from your phone anywhere, and no physical risk or location limits here. It is borderless, global markets, and not only a local economy. It scales without extra overheads. Okay, so to actually start trading with this bot is simple. You just get a smartphone that has internet connection. It can be either Android or iPhone. Both work perfectly. Then you get an exchange account. You can register on Binance or Bybit. It's just free and it takes few minutes. Then you do your KYC verification. Then you are done. Then you get your starting capital. With the crypto flow bot, you can start trading with a trading capital of as low as even $50. Then you deposit the funds into your exchange account via either mobile money, P2P, or bank transfers or whatsoever. Then you just need basic knowledge of understanding what you are doing. This presentation is just a first step, yeah, and the crypto flow bot simplifies the rest for you guys. So if you want to look at manual trading versus for automated trading, with manual trading, you have to sit in front of charts for hours daily. You analyze markets yourself constantly. You execute every trade by yourself, by your own hand. Then emotional decisions leads to what? Mistakes. Mass opportunities, you will miss some of them even while you are asleep. And this requires years of learning experience. Okay, and with automated trading, the bot monitors the markets 24/7 for you. AI analyzes opportunities in real time. Trades execute automatically. It's almost instantly. It's emotion free. It uses discipline driven decisions. It never misses a profitable setup. It works even while you are asleep, even while you are offline. So we have manual trading and we have the automated trading. Definitely you will see the automated trading is the best to go. Okay, and then so the trading bot we are using is crypto flow bot, and this one it works 24/7 360 days. It doesn't rest. Okay, it automatically buys and sells crypto on your behalf, following a preset rules and strategies, even without human emotion and involvement. What it does is it scans the markets, it identifies opportunities, it checks the risk level, it executes the trades and locks in profit for you 24/7 non-stop. So the crypto flow bots actually it's a automated trading system that connects to your Binance or Bybit account, and it trades on your behalf 24/7. Okay, 24/7. It doesn't stop. It has its own built-in risk management, and these are some of the features of it. What you call signal intelligence. It has a structured market intelligence with dual time frame validation that identifies opportunities with consistency, and automation engine. It chooses a fully automated workflow instead of handling every step manually. It's just one click and you activate this bot. Binance and Bybit API, you just connect through API. Your funds remain in your exchange under your control. Okay. Then user control. We can operate with practical controls. You can choose full auto mode or custom mode. You are never locked into one rigid path. It's that simple flexibility. And we also talk about the security and fund safety. One reason why you want to consider this bot is your money is always in your hands. Crypto flow bot never holds, it never accesses or withdraws your funds. Here's how the security model actually works here. Funds stay in your exchange. What happens is that all your trading capital, the profits and earnings remain in your personal Binance or Bybit account. The bot never touches your money, okay? And trade only API permissions. The bot connects via API with read and trade permissions only. Withdrawals permissions are not allowed. No one can ever move your funds, okay? And you can disconnect the bot anytime, remove your funds or shut down trading. You are always in full control. And it has 256-bit encryption, which is a bank level security. And this protects your API connection, and your data is encrypted in transit, okay, and at rest. So that is it, yes. So a lot of people have started using crypto flow bot, and these are real users, including me. Okay, these are some screenshots from real account users showing live earnings, their trade history, and the performance stats. These are everyday people, not professional traders. Okay, and you can see this one, for example, has made what $357.97 in earnings with a win rate of 93%, and it has got what? That's the bot has done 332 wins and 18 losses. Okay, and this one here, $134 made in earnings, which were 86% win rates, and then 256 wins and 23 losses. The losses are always just negligible, something small, but the wins are always what dominates. This one here, 100% win rates with 19 wins and 0 losses. Daily consistent, in fact, profitable every day from April 23rd to May 2, you can see here. I also have a couple of them, a lot of them. If you come here, I have some of them here. You can see people breaking real profit. You can see here, consistent profits. All right. So it's just sometimes some days the results are small, some days it's just that is the trading. It's few losses here and there, but the profits are always dominating. Check here, for example, you see you can check them here, check them, a couple of trades ongoing and so on and so forth. You can see for yourself. Can you see this? So that is it, guys. And this is what you're talking about, complete what? Control of your funds. So who is this crypto flow bot for? It is designed to meet different users at different levels of experience, time availability, and capital size. It is for complete beginners, so people who want a guided entry into crypto without years of chart experience. It's for busy professionals. That's where time leverage comes in here. People with packed schedules who want market participation without being chained to the charts. And then experienced traders is for them. That's execution support. People who understand trading but want better execution and consistency. And also for larger capital users. That's for scalable structure. People who value operational structure and scalable system behavior. This one is also for them. So you can actually choose your capital tier. You can start at any level that fits your budget. The bot performs the same. Only your capital and scale differ. You grow at your own pace. Remember, in trading, capital is king. So if you can be a starter, like from anywhere from like $50 to $299, and you can use this to grow to minimum to begin, learn the system, see real results, then you build confidence. Then you can be on the groove, okay? The groove tier, where you are trading with what you have $300 to $1,000. Then here you are building momentum. You will see meaningful daily returns and compound your earnings. And then professional tier, that's anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. This is serious market participation. This have the potential of programming in with consistent income potential with structured risk. And then the elite, where you are trading with 5K to 50K, this is scale, strategic deployment, premium performance with diversified exposure. And then executive tier, where you're trading with 50K, institutional grade capital management here for you, maximum scale with monitored oversight, guys. All right, so getting started is really simple. No hidden fees. You only pay for performance. 120 USDT for a whole year annual activation. Think of it like paying your full-time employee their annual salary upfront. Once activated, the bot works 24/7, 360 days. No breaks, no excuses, and no charges. Okay? No profit, no fuel charged. Fuel wallet auto pauses at $3 for top-up. The fuel wallet, you deposit a minimum of $10 into the fuel fee wallet. This powers the boss operations. And note, fuel is only charged on profitable trades. And there's a split of what? 20-80 split. Whatever profit the board makes for you, you keep 80% and the board keeps what 20%. The 20% is what fuels the system. 80% stays as your profits. That's simple. You keep 80% of every profit the board makes. No hidden fees, no commissions, no surprises. So total start is 120 USDT activation plus $10 fee for fuel and then $50 minimum for trading capital. So with as low as 180 USDT, you are set up to get started right away. That is it, guys. So to get started is simple. You sign up, you activate the bots with fuel, you connect your API, you set your preferences, choose spot, futures, or both. Okay, you choose a mode, select full auto or custom mode. Then you monitor, track performance from your phone or laptop. It's that simple. So let's start your journey with crypto. Check in the comment section, all the links are there, our WhatsApp group as well. where you can join for support.